Hey everyone, welcome to my first DevOps and AI series where we will be building an end-to-end DevOps project with AIOps integration so you can connect the dots where AI is being integrated into your DevOps workflows. A lot of you have been messaging me around, can you share a full DevOps project? Well, here we are. Finally, in this series, we will be building services locally, use Claude and AI tools for development and deployment, migrate the system into cloud, set up a whole CI/CD pipeline, automate with GitOps workflows, and in the end, we will be putting AIOps in practice. So by the end of the series, you won't just understand tools, but you will understand why are you using those tools. So here's how the series is structured. We start with system design concepts for DevOps and cloud systems. The reason being it is important, not just for entry-level engineers, but for intermediate and advanced professionals. System design concepts are not only, oh, this is microservices or this is how APIs are designed, but you need to put it into practice so you can share it during interviews. Otherwise, it will not sound natural. Also, one thing to note here is companies don't choose tools randomly. They think about architecture patterns, deployment strategies, scalability, reliability, cost trade-offs. So before starting any project, rather it be this one or the other one that you're doing, just try to first map what are the system design concepts you are going to learn through it. That will prepare you for scenario-based questions that are often asked during interviews. So long story short, in this part, we will be going through core system design pillars that are required for modern DevOps architectures. In the second part, we'll be going through the whole workflow of the project. Before writing any code or deployment configs, you will understand what services we are building, how do they communicate, and more importantly, how does code moves from a developer workstation into the CI pipeline, into the deployment backends, and eventually goes into production. So the second part is all about understanding how the system flows. Part 3 is all about the implementation. So you'll be actually building the DevOps project. One thing to note here is we will be using Claude Code, and I will share the configs that you can feed into Claude so that it follows certain guidelines. And in this part, you will understand how to run Docker containers locally, how to move it into Kubernetes deployments, run the whole CI/CD pipeline, automate GitOps workflows using Argo CD operator, and the whole infrastructure setup using Terraform. Finally, part 4. This is where we put AIOps into practice. We will be building this whole project in AWS, and then once the application is live, we will be implementing the AIOps workflows. We will be leveraging a model that will help us analyze logs, detect issues, help with incident management, and overall help with DevOps troubleshooting. So this part is all about automation plus intelligence. And here's the bonus. You will get access to the GitHub repository for the entire project, but there's a catch. The repository will include intentional issues and troubleshooting tasks. Why? Because AI has made things easier for us. And if you want to grow as an engineer, you must learn how to break systems, debug systems, and also fix them. So when you're implementing this project, fork the repository, deploy the whole system, troubleshoot the issues, and share what you've learned. Also tag me if you're building along. See you in part 1.